Flore. Even we have seen some of the videos leaked from the militant terrorist group. They are sophisticated weapons in Korwe. Where the government, where with the central forces and the SS forces, we are countering them. And now search operation and a combined operation is widely going on. Reinforcement has been sent. And we are having some doubt of involvement of foreign mercenary from the Myanmar side, and it is our commitment to the people of the state and the people of the India. We will not succumb to this kind of threat and pressures. We will take necessary possible measures to counter such terrorist activities.
So is there any casualty from the on the Kuki side?
Right now we cannot say, but earlier, 2 days back, 2 were killed and 4 were injured. Not fully confirmed, but reliable sources. We have been reported and from many sources.
Yeah.
The mercenaries from the Myanmar side, KNB, have involvement of their involvement is highly, possible.
Okay. Don't you think that it's a high time for the state government to oppose the central government?
No, we are in touch with the ministry, the central government. Whatever doing and whatever going on in the More and the other part of the state area is with the consent and with the approval of the central government, and the operation is going on jointly with state security force and the central forces.
Are there any